okay? I've got a message back from Kathy saying I can't have access this week. The only thing she can do so, no, she's not giving me much option. She said I can have Monday morning, but I need to be out there by 11. Or I can have Friday afternoon for now. It's too late in the week, I need to get it going. So I'm going to have to just take her up on Mondays off. And yeah, it won't take me long to do them. But yeah, so I won't be able to watch it on Monday. Well, no, I can't do it on Monday, it's going to be there. I wonder if I just go and get the stuff to do in my house then just to take it back out for storage. Anyway, I'll have a think, I'll let you know, but yeah, I didn't get much options. Also, was Fisher's Park arranged through you? Actually, I was giving a call. I did send them the post. He ended up to send back, I haven't got it, so I'll give it a call tomorrow actually. Other than that, it's all coming along great. We've got the bathtub from the wheels set from Sarah today, and the garden bits. The bathtub is perfect. I think it was about 200 quid, so it's not bad. I'm collecting the hamper from the health shop tomorrow too. And also, Sally come up with a couple of good prizes. She's got a few bits. She's going to send booze, bakes and balloons voucher and a nail/beauty voucher.